Hello and welcome to Crumbs Doilies HQ. Now here at the bakery, the gang make different flavours of cakes all day long, and we have loads available on our website, but we are always adding new flavours just to keep things fresh. And when we develop a new flavour, obviously it has to go through lots and lots of testing to get it just right, but at the end we do a final run through and then we get all the guys to taste it so that they know how awesome it is. And I thought it would be cool for Sally to show you what's going into the next one, which is a s'mores cake. So over to Sally.
Thanks, Gemma. So this cake's going to start with 4 layers of our delicious moist chocolate sponge, and we're going to fill it with salted caramel icing, Biscoff spread, which if you don't know what that is, find out because it's amazing, and we're going to put in some broken Biscoff biscuits as well. Then we're going to give it a quick crumb coat and get it in the fridge. Okay, so the cake's had about half an hour in the fridge. It's nice and firm, which is going to be perfect for top coating. And I'm going to start with a nice smooth layer of vanilla buttercream. And next I'm going to add a layer of chocolate buttercream, but only to the bottom half of the cake. And then next a layer of ganache. Right, so that's all the chocolate on, but next we need some biscuits. So here I've got some crushed up Biscoff biscuits, and I'm just going to apply those to the bottom of the cake. So now it's time to add some drips. We're going to do 2, and I'm going to start with Biscoff spread. Next up, some ganache. Right, so the most important part about s'mores is the toasted marshmallow, so I'm going to hand you to Dane and he's going to take it from here.
Thanks, Sally. So I've got some Italian meringue. I'm just going to plop it on top, bounce it around and below torch it. So now I'm just going to finish it off with some more biscuits.
Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
Yeah,
I actually can't wait to have a crack at it. Let's crack it open. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh, it's super squishy. It's got all my favorite things in it. This is a winner of a cake. And make sure you go and check out our website, the Crumbs Doilies website, for this cake, the s'mores cake, as well as loads of our other flavours. There's tons on there, but for now, I think we should get eating. Should we go and share it with the other guys?
Yeah, totally.
Bye. Look what we've got! Not this bit.